Here's how you can add GCash to Apple Pay, and more importantly, how to fix it if the option doesn't appear for you. The process is straightforward, but Apple can be picky about regions, updates, and app versions, so it helps to follow each step carefully. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. From there, select Payment and Shipping. Your phone might ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, so go ahead and do that. Next, you'll see your current payment methods. Tap Add Payment Method. If GCash is supported for your region, it should appear right in that list as an option. Tap GCash, sign in with your GCash account, authorize the connection, and follow the prompts until the setup is complete. After that, GCash will be linked to Apple Pay and you can start using it for App Store purchases, subscriptions, and any service that accepts Apple Pay. But what if GCash doesn't appear at all? This is actually very common. The first thing you should check is your Apple ID region. It must be set to the Philippines because GCash only works in supported regions. If your region is set to another country, GCash simply won't show up no matter what you do. Next, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Apple Pay features sometimes only appear after a software update. You should also check the GCash app itself and update it to the latest version, since outdated versions may not support Apple Pay integration. If you've updated everything and the option still isn't there, there's a good chance the feature hasn't fully rolled out to your specific area or Apple ID yet. Apple and GCash release updates in stages, so some users get it early while others have to wait. In that case, the best fix is patience. Try checking again after a few hours or the next day. You can also try signing out and back into your Apple ID, restarting your iPhone, or reinstalling the GCash app. These simple resets sometimes trigger new payment method options to appear. Once GCash finally shows up and you add it to Apple Pay, you're all set. You'll be able to use GCash for faster payments, smoother checkouts, and easier purchases across Apple services. If it doesn't appear right away, don't worry. It usually shows up after updates roll out or after Apple refreshes your payment method availability.